Jeremiah!
Hey, bolt of fire. Where did ye spring from?
I saw ye enter. Did you know of these caves, Jeremiah?
Nay, I think since the mountain has woken from its sleep, it has shaken rocks from before the entrance.
The most fantastic formations I've ever seen.
Jeremiah,
Did ye perhaps see anyone on the way through?
Nay. I mean, no.
Who, Jeremiah?
Oh, it's nay important.
Jeremiah, have you seen a sign of Aaron?
Hi, Jason. Mark. My name's Tony. This is Mark.
Hello, Jeremiah.
Hello, Jason. Should have seen you. Good to see all of you.
Jason!
Oh, please.
Well, it is best you are getting back. It will be dark as it is before you reach the valley. The mountain is quieted, so the going should be easier.
Does it flare up like that very often?
Oh, from time to time, but not always so fierce.
Well, my master be wondering where I be all this time. I'll say I were fishing.
Well, I think you'd best not turn up empty-handed. Here.
Oh, I couldn't.
There's plenty more in the sea. Time to go. They'd best go round the volcano. It would be easier in purpose.
I think we'd all prefer that.
Bye. Farewell, Jeremiah.
Bye.
Take
care,
Helen.
Jason. Goodbye.
Return again
Bye.
soon. Farewell, Mark. Bye.
This way.
I think today's been the worst day of my life. Waiting and worrying.
Okay.
It's the Prime Minister.
Well, Widow Quinn.
Ask questions if you must, but pray remember the girl be still weak.
Have either of ye seen or heard anything of 5 strangers on the island? Take care how ye answer, for I can spot a lie easier than most.
I know of no strangers, nor have ever seen any, sir. I only know my friends. That be the plain truth.
And you, boy?
Nor I, my lord.
Did ye not hear them? There be no strangers. Can ye not tell when they speak the truth? Have ye in the whole of your life ever seen 2 more honest faces? They be the faces of 2 angels. They know their friends, and that be all. They can tell ye no more than ye don't already know. Ye should be ashamed. Grown men persecuting children.
Very well, madam. We'll let the matter rest for the moment. But don't ever let me discover that my suspicions were correct after all.
Tony, Mark and David, Anna and Suyin are left there on the island. Who knows what could begin? Adventure lies before them, danger lies behind. And as they go on searching, what new troubles will they find?